Welcome viewers. My name is Adnan and we are all from Gango. Gango is a town in UP and I have a YouTube channel by my center name Opera Center. Well, I have uploaded a few videos on YouTube about group discussion and for the same we are here today once again. However, from a long period of time, I could not upload any group discussion videos, and the reason behind this is that I was not teaching spoken English. Once again, I have started spoken classes, and if you are interested, you can join me near State Bank of India, Padam Sanima Road, श्री बालाजी मार्केट. एंड गाइस, अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है इंग्लिश सीखने में, हम आपको करंटली 50% डिस्काउंट के साथ सिखा रहे हैं. हमारी जो नॉर्मल फीस रहती है कोर्स की वो 4000 रहती है, लेकिन अभी 50% डिस्काउंट कर रहे हैं हम, तो ये अब हमारी रह गई है 2000. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड you can take my contact number from this video that I will mention. Okay guys, I will give you a very good interesting topic. I think all are excited.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to introduce yourself one by one, and I want you, Arifa.
Good morning, everyone. I am really thankful, Mr. Adnan sir, for selecting me in this group discussion. My name is Arifa Mansoori, and I am from Gango. Furthermore, I have completed my 12th class from Jagannath Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College. Currently, I am doing graduation. With it, I have been working on my communication skills for 3 months. Thank you.
Welcome. Akram, this side. I will give you my mic. Yes, please.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, I am really thankful of you, sir, but for selecting me in this group discussion. I am Muhammad Akram. I am from Sangatheda. It a small village, town, Gango. Recently, I have completed graduation from Sobit University. Currently, I am pursuing B.Ed from Sobit University. That's it.
That's okay. Pass the mask to other guy, please.
Good afternoon, Adnan sir and my colleague. I am very thankful to having me in this debate, and I have completed my 12th from SOPS and currently
Can you please explain SOPS because
Silver Oak Public School from Gango, and currently I am pursuing my graduation from Shobit
Guys,
University.
I would like to correct you, not persuading. It's pursuing.
I am pursuing currently. I am pursuing my
BMS?
BMS from Shobit University, Gango.
Okay. Please, next.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
I am really grateful of you, Adnan sir, to give me this opportunity and for selecting me in this group discussion. My name is Faizi Hussain. I am from Gango, and I have passed my 12th class from Namdev Public School, and currently I am pursuing my BCA from JB Knowledge Park, Faridabad. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Please pass me the mask. Just mic, not mask. Okay, guys, now you have introduced yourself, and I am ready to give your group discussion. Are you excited?
Yes, sir. We are very excited.
And the topic that you are going to discuss in this group discussion is science a good master or a bad servant? So I want to take your opinion one by one, and for this I want to give the opportunity to start the group discussion.
I strongly favor the topic science is a good master.
Okay, you believe that science is a positive side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, please go ahead.
Because of due to advancement in science and technology, human beings have become able to reach on other planets like moon. For example, 2 years ago, India launched Chandrayaan 2 and we successfully landed our moon. My dear opponent, suppose if there is no science and technology, would we able to reach this landmark? No, never. So I believe science is not bad servant but a great master, and you will have to accept it sooner you convince better if be for you.
Okay, sooner you accept it, better it be for you guys. So she believes that science is a good master, not a bad servant. This is mic is for you, and you say what do you say?
Today topic is very interesting, knowledgeable and debatable. I totally disagree with my opponent opinion because I believe science can never a good master. However, it is a very bad servant. Let's look back on invention of electricity and it took its creator life first. Before taking his last breath, Edison said, I would never ever invite anything that would take life away. I want to draw your attention on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, where American target atomic bomb on 6 August 1945. After more than 75 years, still children are being born handicapped and disabled. What was their fault?
True. So, Faziab, what do you say? What are your opinion? Just please.
Thank you, sir, once again.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I am not agree with the statement of Mr. Akram.
It's not. I am not. I do not.
I don't agree
Mhm.
with the statement of Akram
Mm.
because as we can see that in earlier when science is not there, also there are also some wars in which children are also killed, women are also killed.
Mm-hmm. Are
Now,
they were?
were
Mm-hmm. Women.
women are also women were also killed there,
Mm-hmm.
and they do too much.
Uh-huh. What are your points? Like, do not answer the question. Just what are your points?
Okay.
Salman sir.
Sir, as we can see that science becomes more and more powerful day by day,
Uh-huh.
and give too much technology to human beings, and also
Can you give me some examples?
yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
As we can see that we open our eyes with the buzzing of our alarms to the time we were in bed again at night, scrolling and scrolling our phones for hours. Our lives revolve around technology. Technology is everywhere: phones, light, camera, ACs, washing machine, microwaves. It is everywhere. It is the one of the greatest bound best out on mankind. But let me tell you, the influence of technology is not only restricted to making our daily lives easier. In fact, they expand to a much higher level of advancements of technology in the field of health, education, defense, agriculture, transportation have contributed immensely to the progress and betterment of mankind. As I say, transportation. We can see that earlier when we were not have any transport system, we have a car. We did not have any transport system. We have cart, bullet cart. Now we have an aeroplane, buses, cars. Uh, we can travel uh, in short of time in everywhere,
Anywhere.
anywhere with the
Can you
help
give me an
of.
example? Can you give me an example?
We have an example, the aeroplane for went to other cities when science is not there. It took too much years.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, then you can say that many people go.
Many people goes on camels, on foot,
Mhm.
but nowadays you can.
Okay, I stop you there. You say that science has given us technology and all you have connected with, and you believe that science is not a good, bad master. However, it's a it's a good master, not a bad servant. Danish, what are your opinion, please?
Sir, I would like to differ Mr. Fazyab
Can you speak a little louder, please?
as he Fazyab said that the technology we are using at night, we scrolling reels for 4 hours. And in my opinion, in this generation, youth are more scrolling reels, and their screen time has been reached from 4 hours to 12 hours.
Okay,
Uh,
but that's not. You are deviating. You are deviating. Just come to the point. Speak to the point.
Sir,
What
I
are,
sir,
what do you want to
sir,
say?
I am coming to the point, and my point is that as the smartphones are manufacturing day by day, and they are using more and more reels, scrolling on reels using Instagram, and after scrolling Instagram, they don't focus on their career.
How?
They focus on scrolling, and all they pass their time on scrolling reels, and they don't forget focus on their career, as they deviate from their path, and they become
Danis, I
uh,
would
l-
like to say one thing. You are just scrolling or you are just roaming around the one topic. You are not telling your side.
sir
Why? What are the benefits of science?
sir, I am not favor from what are the benefits of science. I am against the science, as
Uh-huh.
I am choosing in the debate that I am opposing the science. So my point is that
So, what are the disadvantages of science for humankind? Just tell us.
sir, as we are using our technology, we are mining the lands, and extracting the minerals and using them to manufacturing other products, like mobile phone runs on silica, and they extract from the mine, which our environment facing much harm. If we digging mines, their deforestation are occurring at its peak,
Uh-huh.
and the wildlife are decreasing day by day. So I am in the favor that the advancement in technology is decreasing the human life
How?
age. As we can say, let's take the example of Delhi. As we can say that the news are saying that the in Delhi, the AQI, air quality index, is more than 1000, and
AQI,
a-
air,
air quality index
is more than
uh,
1,000.
1000. It is very harmful to live. What is the reason? The reason is they producing car, they're driving car, the car driving the car. I mean to say that in Delhi there are lots of car. They
Danish, I would cut you. I would cut you in short. You are unclear to me. You said that mining is. I agree with your opinion. This is a drawback of science. However, but I'm unclear with you still myself. So next time you give your opinion, give in short.
okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes, please. What do you say? Another point.
I beg to differ with your opinion, Mr. Danish.
No, you have to agree. You have to agree, Arifa. It's true that air quality index has jumped in big cities and it has become a problem because of transportations.
Yes,
Big
yes.
vehicles like metros and so many things are being used there, and they have polluted the air of the cities. So you have to agree.
Yes, sir, but सर उनसे हमें बहुत फायदे भी तो हैं.
जैसे what are the benefits?
Sir, 20 years ago there was no means to travel,
Mhm.
and it was very difficult to travel from one palace to another.
Okay.
But nowadays, with the advancements of science, it has become to very easily travel from one palace to another, like by metro, airplane,
Mhm.
and we can easily go from one palace to another. For example, many students are filling their dreams to study in abroad, like Indian students studying abroad in the year 2024. For like 27,000 students are in Canada.
In Canada, what is the data? For like 27,000 are studying in Canada from India.
Yes,
This is
sir.
a huge amount. This is a very good figure. So for like students could not complete their, according to Arifa, could not complete their fulfill their dream. Now, what do you see, Akram?
Yes,
Do you agree with this statement or disagree? Can you please pass
Sir,
me this mark?
Faizyab and also Arifa said aeroplane have benefits, and we can travel one place to another place quickly. But I think aeroplane have benefits. Car, bikes, metro have benefits. But aeroplanes they are being used to throw bombs and rockets on innocent people. And these are all invention of science and technology. Therefore, I don't agree with this statement that science is a good master, not a bad servant. And car, buses, train, and bikes are very helpful vehicle to train to travel one place to another place. But it is a very harmful also for humans, according to data from the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Around 4.5 lakhs road accidents happen in
4
India.
point?
4.5 lakhs road accidents happen in India each year. Because of these vehicles, air pollution is increasing day by day. For example, car, buses, and bikes exhausting harmful smoke, and it convert into mesh blender. Because of that, we are suffering from disease like breathing, asthma, coughing, irritation to eyes, nose, and throat, headache, dizziness, lung cancer, heart disease,
Okay, great, great.
and factories are a number of different pesticides and chemicals. Later, they dump them into seawater. Because of that pesticide and chemicals, a lot of fishes are being died,
Oh, that's
and they are a great source of protein and vitamins.
I agree with your statement. It's a great statement. These are the negatives. These are the negatives of science, and according to this statement, that science looks a little dangerous to human and society. Vijay, what do you say now?
Sir, I agree with the statement of Mr. Akram, and I have another point that you also can believe that science is a good master.
Okay, yes.
Yes. As we can see that the greatest treatment of technology roles in our lives with the recently provided during COVID-19 pandemic. Children started studying from their homes. People started working online. Doctors saved thousands of lives using ventilators, and all these because of technologies.
But science is a COVID-19 is a innovation of science
Innovation.
and science.
It's an invention of science. Do you agree or disagree with this statement that science has given
Science
COVID-19?
COVID-19 is an invention of science also.
Recently, there is also one disease came in early. There is no science.
What that?
Uh,
And that time, like this disease, I think
okay,
not.
Danis, what do you say? What do you say? Why do you believe that science is not a good master, a bad servant?
Sir, in my opinion, as Faisab said, that the technology is being used for the treatment of acute diseases. In my opinion, I would like to say that the technology producing more and more disease. For example, COVID-19, as we can say, it's being spread from the China, and China is, as we all know, and the China is very uh, and the China is very technology advanced in technology city. In my opinion, the technology is spreading diseases.
How?
For example, in genetic engineering, we used to modify the viruses. They used to modify viruses and make it more pathogenic for the humans. So
Pathogenic for the humans.
pathogenic for
What
the
do,
human.
what do you mean by pathogenics?
Pathogenics mean
You are using so many technical words, and some of the viewers are not aware these words. So we
the
have to,
the meaning of this word is humans are more vulnerable about the on the virus. Like the
Okay.
virus is spread, humans are more vulnerable to these diseases.
Okay.
So, in my opinion, the science is bad master.
Science is a bad master. Can you suggest any disadvantage of science for society, for human beings?
uh, I would like to say that in previous time when there was no technology, everyone was interact to each other, used to interact
Right.
each other. But now after social media, people interact with social virtually, not socially, and this create lack of critical
Lack
thinking,
of emotion.
lack of emotion and critical thinking, and social uh, uh, mental health in society.
So you, in one sentence, you can say, you want to say that science and technology has killed creativity of human
Creativity
being.
of human beings and emotion also.
I agree now. I agree. This is a good point. Fazia and any of you disagree or agree, and this should be the final statements from your side, and we will wrap the class up now.
Sir, uh, science has increased the safety of people with the help of technology. There are CCTV cameras. Note that keeps your valuable at the shop and home safe. Everything is captured in the camera and finding the thief become easily.
Very good. Invention of science security.
Yes, sir.
You believe? Yes. Any final point from you, Akram or Danish?
Yes, sir. Before 19th century, we did not have smartphone and internet, and that was a golden era because we used to follow our beautiful culture. But today, we have a smartphone and we use it 5 to 8 hours daily. We see dirty reels, videos. We used to scrolling whole day, and thus we began to copy Western culture gradually. And on the other hand, it is a harmful for eyes, brain. Phone can be addictive,
But we are not talking the
especially.
disadvantages. I'm sorry to cut you, but we are not talking about the advantages and disadvantages of phone. We are talking here. Science is a good master or a bad servant. So
Yes.
I agree. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mobile phone is a creation of science.
Oh, you want to say that mobile phone is a creation? Okay, then go ahead.
That's it.
Uh-huh.
I was especially for young student using mobile phone
Uh-huh.
can make students less active.
How?
Is less active because he students used to scroll
Reels.
whole day, reels, videos, and other things. Spending a lot of time on mobile can lead to anxiety, depression, and loneliness. According to data, it is a very harmful for children because mobile radiation is very dangerous for children, and they can become a victim of brain cancer.
Brain cancer.
Brain cancer.
Great.
We spend a lot of time on mobile phone because that activity we are not able to give time to our parents, brother, sister, and friends. So relationships are breaking down, falling apart. And I think now we can't live without mobile phone because I am addicted. And addiction is a dangerous than a drug. And ultimately, man is the master of science and not science. The master of man, science is meant for man and not man for science. Science is the servant of man, and man should use science wisely.
Oh, that's great.
That's
I
it.
agree. I agree with this statement. Final comments from you, anybody? Yes, final comment. Fazia, science is made for human beings, not human beings are made for, or created for science.
Sir, I agree that human beings made the science, but human beings also care about science. What the human behavior
Can you
with the
please
nature?
pass me the mic? Yeah.
If science gives you some advantages, why you use too much? Why you addicted too much to the mobile phones? As you can see, as you can say, mobile phones gives too much disease to the children. Why human beings give phone to their children?
So you
There-
believe that it is not a fault of
It
science?
is not a fault of science. Science gave you technology, and you know how to use that and how to not use that.
Okay.
You use in a limit.
I do not want to go too much long with this video. However, I think you have lots of video opinion you want to share with each other. But I have to cut your video in short now. And in my opinion, it was absolutely great conversation I had with you, and I want to conclude the topic by saying yes, definitely every coin has two aspects, positive and negative. Yeah, it is truly or equally applicable to the topic science. Science either can be dangerous or just helpful, useful. It depends on human being. Yeah, how they use. Science has given us so many benefits. On the other hand, it has provided some disadvantages, such as Akram and Danish have said that it has provided so many diseases like asthma, cancer, and this is a creation of science. You have to accept, since technology has increased and the as the disease increase. However, on the other hand, some good points have been mentioned by you guys, that science has given curement for many diseases, and you have given a tremendous example of coronavirus. If there was no science, definitely it was impossible for anybody to save the world. The world was we were seeing that the dear ones and near ones of our were losing their lives. Finally, in my opinion, I believe that science is a necessary evil. It means it is something, it is harmful, but you have to adapt it. It is something that mobile phone, we know ourselves better that it is harmful to our eyes, harmful to our brain, harmful to many things, but still we are using. Likewise, it is applicable to science, and I personally believe that science has given us short-term advantages and long-term disadvantages. For example, if World War III takes place, the world would finish in just few rockets, missiles, and it was not possible before the advancement in science and technology. So, guys, yes, we have to accept that science has more drawbacks than advantages, but it looks in reality that it has more advantages than disadvantages. So, guys, if you like the video, please do subscribe and watch other videos of us, and we welcome you to join our center. And definitely the students have created some mistakes. Yeah, Gango is not a city, students are not fluent here. English is considered here as one of the, like, हवा बना रखा है हमारे गंगों में बच्चों ने. जस्ट थोड़ा सा आप भी हवा कितने डर डर के डरे हुए हो, स्माइल थोड़ा सा स्माइल करो यार, cool down. Okay, guys, please watch and wait for our next video. Please do tell us in the subscribe, in the comment banks, that how was the video? Did it give you some knowledge or not? Thank you. Thanks a lot.